time. Every day of our lives, kailangan po lagi po tayo nakapokus sa ating Panginoong Jesus. Lagi po natin isipin, we really need God every step of every minute of our life. Nasabi niyo ba yung Panginoon? Nasabi niyo ba yung Panginoon? You know, I believe, I couldn't remember whether this today, this morning, or other day, na when I was showering, nasabi ko sa Panginoon while leaving the world, not only me, but the church needs you every second that you need to God. Ang gusto ko manamnam po niyo yun, gusto ko mapasok po sa puso po natin, that we're ready to Jesus. Ayoko po umasa po tayo sa sarili po natin kakayahan. Because I was there before, and you were there before. At alam niyo po kung ano yun. Tingin mo, wala ka ng pag-asa. Tingin mo. Pero kay God, may pag-asa. Tandaan mo yung kapatid, we are here. We're struggling in Hong Kong, day in and day out. Far away from our families. Kanino ka kakapit? Kakapit ka sa amo mo? Kakapit ka sa trabaho? Kapit po tayo sa ating Panginoon. Dahil God loves you so much.